The ethical implications of AI companions, a critical examination. The rise of artificial intelligence has brought forth a new frontier in human-computer interaction, AI companions. These digital entities, designed to simulate human-like relationships, have gained increasing popularity in recent years. While marketed as solutions for loneliness and providers of emotional support, AI companions raise significant ethical concerns. This paper examines the ethical implications of AI girlfriends and companions, exploring how they intersect with issues of objectification, gender stereotypes, mental health, and societal norms. AI companions are software programs designed to simulate human-like interactions, often in romantic or friendly contexts. They range from text-based chatbots to more sophisticated systems with voice interaction and sometimes virtual or augmented reality interfaces. The market for these companions has grown rapidly, with several companies offering increasingly advanced products. The development of AI companions can be seen as an evolution of how relationships are portrayed in traditional media. However, unlike passive media consumption, AI companions offer an interactive experience that blurs the line between fiction and reality, potentially amplifying both positive and negative effects on users. One of the primary concerns surrounding AI companions is their potential to reinforce objectification. By design, these AI entities exist to fulfill the desires and needs of their users, potentially promoting a one-sided view of relationships. This mirrors concerns long held about the portrayal of women in advertising and entertainment media. The risk lies in users transferring expectations from their AI interactions to real-world relationships. If accustomed to an always agreeable AI companion, users might struggle with the complexities of human relationships, potentially viewing real partners as objects meant to cater to their needs rather than as equal individuals with their own desires and boundaries. Many AI companions, particularly those marketed as romantic partners, are programmed with traits that often align with traditional gender stereotypes. Female AI companions may be designed to be overly agreeable, emotional, or focused on the user's needs, while male AI companions might embody stereotypical masculine traits. This programming choice not only reinforces outdated gender norms but may also shape users' expectations of real-world partners. Prolonged interaction with these stereotypical AI personalities could lead users to expect similar behavior from human partners, potentially straining real relationships and perpetuating harmful societal norms. While AI companions are often marketed as solutions for loneliness, their impact on mental health is complex. For some users, these companions may provide a sense of connection and emotional support. However, there's a risk of users developing unhealthy attachments to their AI companions, potentially leading to increased isolation from real-world relationships. Moreover, the idealized nature of AI companions, always available, always agreeable, may set unrealistic standards for human interactions. Users might find themselves disappointed by the natural limitations and complexities of human relationships, leading to dissatisfaction and potentially exacerbating feelings of loneliness or inadequacy. The design and marketing of AI companions often reflect and potentially reinforce existing gender inequalities. Many AI companions are female-presenting and marketed primarily to male users, implicitly promoting the idea of women as servile or existing primarily for men's pleasure or emotional support. If AI companions become widespread, this dynamic could further entrench problematic gender norms in society. It may normalize the idea of women as customizable, always available entities designed to cater to men's needs, potentially influencing attitudes towards women in real-world contexts. Developers of AI companions face significant ethical challenges. They must balance creating engaging, personalized experiences with the responsibility to avoid reinforcing harmful stereotypes or promoting unhealthy relationship dynamics. This raises questions about the extent of developers' ethical obligations. Should they prioritize user engagement and satisfaction, or do they have a broader responsibility to consider the societal implications of their products? Establishing industry guidelines or ethical standards for AI companion development could help address these challenges. The issue of consent becomes complex with AI companions. While these entities are programmed to simulate consent, they lack true autonomy or the ability to give informed consent. This raises concerns about users engaging in behaviors with AI that would be unethical or illegal with humans. There's a risk that such interactions could desensitize users to issues of consent and respect in real-world relationships. It may normalize exploitative behaviors, potentially bleeding over into users' interactions with real people. The effects of AI companions may vary significantly across different cultures. In societies where gender equality is already a challenge, the introduction of stereotypical AI companions could exacerbate existing issues. Conversely, in some contexts, AI companions could potentially be designed to challenge harmful norms and promote more equitable views of relationships. This global variability underscores the need for cultural sensitivity in AI companion design and highlights the potential for these technologies to either reinforce or help dismantle harmful cultural norms. The rapid advancement of AI companion technology has outpaced relevant legislation in many jurisdictions. Key concerns include data privacy, as these AI systems often handle sensitive personal information, and the potential for misuse or exploitation, particularly of minors or vulnerable individuals. Developing appropriate regulatory frameworks is crucial to ensure the responsible development and use of AI companions. This might include age restrictions, data protection measures, and guidelines for ethical design and marketing. Despite the ethical concerns, proponents argue that AI companions can offer significant benefits. They may provide companionship for isolated individuals, serve as educational tools, or even be used in therapeutic contexts. Some argue that interaction with AI could help people practice social skills or explore aspects of their personality in a safe environment. Balancing these potential benefits against the ethical risks is a key challenge. It may be possible to design AI companions that provide positive experiences while minimizing negative societal impacts, but this requires careful consideration and ongoing ethical evaluation. The development of AI companions represents a significant shift in how we interact with technology and conceptualize relationships. While these entities offer potential benefits, they also raise serious ethical concerns regarding objectification, gender stereotypes, mental health, and societal norms. As this technology continues to advance, it is crucial to maintain ongoing dialogue about its ethical implications. Developers, policymakers, and users must work together to ensure that AI companions are designed and used in ways that promote healthy relationships and positive societal values, rather than reinforcing harmful norms or exploitative behaviors. The future of AI companions will likely have profound effects on how we understand and experience relationships. By addressing these ethical concerns proactively, we can strive to shape this future in a way that enhances human connection and well-being, rather than undermining it.